I wanted to explain the full virtue of a product that's been released recently, and it's by HP, and it's called the HP Gloss, and there's a matte version as well, polymeric overlaminate. Now, that's a little bit misleading because it's more than just an overlaminate. It's listed as an overlam, which is what it is. You can treat it just like a laminate, a matte or gloss laminate. You laminate directly onto whatever materials you want to laminate, usually an adhesive vinyl. However, I think a better name for it is the HP Gloss or Matte Printable Clear Overlaminate. And the reason why is this is a printable film as much as it's a laminate. And I use this both as frontlit and as a backlit with higher ink loads. And I have another video out explaining how to get to a backlit level. But this can be treated like a clear film with a white liner, and that allows you with that white liner to do very accurate color calibrations, as well as when I go to my print and cut system, it can see the liner, and so it can identify all of my cut marks and my barcodes, and everything is going to line up perfectly. This is a very good choice for a clear film. The color presets that are available are right on the media locator, or you can go to the BMG website to find them, and then you can print directly from it. So you order one roll, just one roll of clear gloss or matte. Polymeric means basically a higher grade, like an intermediate grade laminate. And it can be a laminate for you. It can also be a printable frontlit, and it can be a printable backlit. All of those are remarkable in and of themselves, but there's very few products that do all three. So it goes way up the list of a product that I think has a great deal of value, because I only need one roll to accomplish three things. Great product from HP, highly recommended. Use it all the time. It's become kind of my go-to for clear, because I don't have a clear liner, I have a white liner, and I really like that, especially for the print and cut.